So today on Get Chic Face, I am going to show you guys how to age by like 30 years. But supposedly this mask is supposed to make you look 30 years younger afterwards, so we'll see. Hey guys, it's Chriselle with another episode of Let's Get Chic Face, and today I have my friend, little sister, Weylie. I don't know if you're actually my little sister, but I feel like I'm a lot older than you.
You're my big sister.
Yeah. Have you ever tried Hanacure before?
No, I haven't, but I've seen it many times.
So these are the boxes, and supposedly it's like a miracle face mask, but it makes you look really old and ugly.
I've seen.
What I thought would be fun was if we did like a little Q&A with our followers and we try to answer the questions while we're like super wrinkly, because it's gonna be a struggle since like we're gonna be really dry. So are you ready?
Yes.
Cheers! Let's get chic faced. All right, let's dive into it. Yes, I have these cute black pants.
You're getting like
for us.
90s vibes from this.
Okay, so let's wash off or take off our makeup.
Okay.
Oh my god, what lashes do you use?
These are my e.l.f. lashes actually. It's my collab with e.l.f. Wow, they look really good on you.
Really? You don't think it's too much for
No.
me? I just put on your old lashes. I don't know if that's gross or not, but... So I'm gonna go ahead and open my box.
Alright. How did you open the box?
Wow, this is
What
really...
is going on?
Oh, wait. Yep, got it. Oh, you broke it.
I know. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
You got it? Okay, here you go.
Alright,
Here's
here we
yours.
go. Cheers.
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 Let's get chic faced.
So we pour it in here. Comes with a little brush.
Okay, let's do this.
See how it feels. Look at my neck.
I know.
It looks like someone sliced me.
It doesn't.
Why is it
This looks
red?
like, oh, this could be a good Halloween makeup. This is how I'm gonna look when I'm like in 30 years. Are you still gonna love me?
That's fine.
That's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. We asked you guys some questions about us on Instagram, and we're gonna see if any of you guys submitted some questions yet.
How do you both deal with body insecurities? I love the both of you so much. Oh, we love you too. But I think now, the way I just deal with it is like, forget about it.
Yeah.
You know, it's like if I'm insecure about something, I just let it go.
Yeah.
I don't want to focus so much into it.
Yeah, I think so too. But it also comes with, can't move my face. I think with age, you just realize that if you don't shed so much light on it and really focus on what you love instead, then it just becomes so much smaller, that problem. You are a lot more wrinkly than I am, I feel like.
What? Do you see how my nostril's getting pulled up? This nostril is just flaring by itself that way.
I go through phases. I've had short hair most of my life, but I go through phases.
I like both. Like every month I'm debating, do I cut it? Do I keep it growing? Oh my god, I just looked at my neck and it looks really gross.
Yeah, me too. Ugh. Yours is really getting in there.
Oh,
You look like a dinosaur.
I know.
I have to just, this is kind of boring, but it's Hawaii. It's the easiest location to get to for me with a child. Like, I do not want to be on a plane for more than 5 hours with Chloe.
If not Hawaii, I'd say Hong Kong. I love it there. I love the food.
She's like, I love it there.
I love it there. It's so much fun. Seriously.
We actually met recently, but we've been
In person.
in person. So we met. I invited her to the launch of my Joa Chriselle collection. She came. I didn't think she was gonna come. I know.
I'm so excited. Look how excited I am.
I'm so excited. So this is pretty much how you look like after 30 minutes. We're gonna wash it off. See if it actually worked.
I know.
It better, because it's like really. All right, so we're back. We just washed our face.
Feels nice.
It feels really nice, and your skin looks so bright and
Yours
just like
too.
really, like it almost feels. It looks lighter in color. You said
Softened.
it's it's
Very,
really
very
soft. Feels nice.
It feels like I just had a facial type of soft.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another episode of Let's Get Chic Face. Hope that you guys enjoyed this episode with my friend Weylie.
Thanks for having me, Chriselle.
And let us know in the comment box below if you guys have any questions about the Hanacure facial, if you guys are interested in it. And also let me know who you guys want to see next on this channel. All right, love you guys and see you soon.
Bye.